Hello, how are you doing? This is another video. In this video I will show how to test the speed of Zabbix frontend, how to practically benchmark your Zabbix frontend in case you are playing around with fine-tuning the database or fine-tuning the web server or switching from Apache to Nginx or vice versa. Then this video is for you. And let's have a look how it works. Here on screen I have a template, ready template, and inside this template we are using the legacy website monitoring. Inside the section web there is front-end status, and there are a bunch of characteristics like what kind of dedicated username we should use, what's the password, and the magic happens under the steps section, where we open different sections. We open the landing page, check for string, we conduct an authentication. If we succeed, then it will open the list of proxies. Even if you don't have proxies, it will try to open this section, and it will show empty page, but that's a nice start. Then going to the template list, how fast all the templates open, visiting the host groups, template groups, testing out the search functionality, opening the host list, opening the trigger actions. All these sections will exist on a stock installation. If you don't cut away anything, then it's there. So it's almost it is plug and play. You can blindly apply the template as long as we will set up valid username and password. It will work, and in this video I will guide how at the beginner level how to apply this template. So it all starts with the user. Inside the template level we have a user which is called speed. That will be the dedicated user which must be made, and also the user deserves to have a password. And here I did put a bash one-liner. I use this myself all the time. It's a neat trick how to create a random password right from the bash. So what we can do is mouse over here, do a triple click, 1, 2, 3, select this guy, copy to the clipboard, visit the terminal. Over here, terminal, wrong terminal, this terminal. And put that one-liner here, enter, and I have a random password over here. So I will copy this to clipboard, and now visit the front end and supply this random password. Okay, and that's probably everything. Since I'm using appliance to demonstrate, maybe I should switch the schema to HTTP. I can put the default one will be HTTP. And that's everything. If you don't use custom port, then this field is empty. If we use Apache, then we should put usually /Zabbix, but this is not the Apache. Okay, so this is the random password. I will save it at the template level, copy to the clipboard. So we will need to create a user update. Visiting the users here, create user. The user will be called speed, and the password will be the one from the clipboard. And here I prefer to really crash test the front end and to list more objects in the page. This is a very nice trick. Actually 1000 is the best. And refresh the per page 10 minutes. And that is everything. And inside the permissions section, list selecting that this user will have access to all of the sections, because it's opening the proxies, opening the templates, opening the host objects. So this will be a way to test. Okay, that is it. Update. Now visiting that host section. Actually, I will set the refresh rate a bit more aggressive. So out from the box it's 1 minute, but let's set 10 seconds, like every 10 seconds it will go through all these sections. Update. Now hosts, create a new host like Zabbix GUI test, and we will link the template. Click Zabbix graphical interface and click. And interface is actually the template is using interface. It's not using agent, so this interface is used in a dummy way, and I need to copy the like DNS or IP address over here and look like this. And this port really does not matter, but I like to supply something which is more meaningful to the case. So since this is HTTP, then I'm specifying the port number. Usually the port is specified over here. We have a special like setting port, and if we do specify, we have to write a column like in this way. Only that will work. I will leave this way right now as well. That is everything, and connect to the IP and add. So in 7.0 version, like 10 seconds later, it will start to run this thing, and we can like start to celebrate. So let's see a Zabbix graphical interface test web. We see it's already succeeding, like status OK 4 seconds ago. Very nice. And if we open this thing, so we see like now the metrics are starting to come. If we filter out 15 minutes or even 5 minutes, so it is starting to put this picture. Speed, so speed bigger is better. If you see these, like these layers are coming from every step. If it is going up, then great. Like right now, 512 kilobytes per second. And if it's increasing, then awesome. The other one is response time. Lower is better, 1.5 seconds, which is very decent speed for this template. If you try yourself and you accomplish like 2 seconds or less, then you have a probably beefy hardware and the best disks money can buy. Yeah, so these graphs are the important ones when we start to think about fine-tuning the database, switching between web servers. You can really like check before and after and make a decision like, is this thing worth it? And sometimes maybe we have some sort of placebo effect. We added more memory to the server and thinking, is it really giving any goods? But I want to say like these graphs will not lie. Yeah. Another use case what we can do is if we have different locations, we can have here like this host is already working, and you have maybe some Raspberry Pi running somewhere in a completely different region. So we can clone the host and put here location 2 and set a different proxy, and that's it. Like now the proxy is trying to reach out this front end, and of course the speed will be different. In this scenario, I'm using the same Zabbix server, so it's practically like even not going outside from the server. That's also that's a like nice test to test kind of like the database performance. But yeah, different testing from different location, that's also great. Okay, that is everything. Like the whole idea of this template is to show the speed. Better speed is better, and show the response time of different sections, and that is everything. So yeah, if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and see you till next time.